Are you wondering which remote desktop tool is better? Today, we'll compare Rustdesk and Moonlight to help you decide. Both Rustdesk and Moonlight let you connect to your computer from anywhere. They make it easy to access files and applications remotely, but they have different features and setups. Let's start with Rustdesk. This tool is open source and focuses on security. It uses end to end encryption, which means your data stays safe. Rustdesk is user friendly and you can set it up quickly. It works well for both personal and business use. Now, let's look at Moonlight. This tool is designed mainly for gaming. It uses NVIDIA's game stream technology, which makes it great for playing games remotely. Moonlight also offers a smooth experience with low latency. It's perfect for gamers who want to play on different devices. So, what are the main differences? Rustdesk is more about general remote access, while Moonlight focuses on gaming. If you need something for work or everyday tasks, Rustdesk is a solid choice. But if gaming is your priority, Moonlight is the way to go. When it comes to features, Rustdesk offers file transfer and clipboard sharing. Moonlight provides high quality streaming and game controller support. Both tools have their strength depending on what you need. In terms of pricing, Rustdesk is free since it's open source. Moonlight is also free, but you may need an NVIDIA GPU for the best experience. In the end, if you want a versatile tool for work, go with Rustdesk. If gaming is your main goal, choose Moonlight. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.